Hello everybody. In this video, I am going to give an update on my portfolio and show you all of my positions. Let's get started. Right now my portfolio is worth $188,338.86. In the past year, I am up $67,761.47. Year to date for the year 2025, I am up $30,181.79. Today was a red day for me. I was down $1,629.80. Let's go over my positions. I did make a change to my portfolio positions today, which I will talk about later, but let's go over my options. I'm selling AMD $175 covered calls. These expire 9/12. My return, $2,799. I am selling Google $200 puts. These expire 9/12. My return, $88. I am selling SoFi $28 covered calls. These expire 9/26. My return, $1,084.16. For my cryptocurrencies, I have Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and Avalanche. For my stocks, I have 6,400 shares of SoFi. SoFi is at $24.99. My average cost, $5.70. My return, $123,466.05. I have 300 shares of AMD. AMD is at $162.13. My average cost, $176.78. My return, I am down $4,393.50. This is a margin account. My margin used is $49,671.41. And this gives me a total of $20,558.18 in buying power. Now, something I want to talk about is, in my previous update, I talked about how I made a big bet that Bitcoin would stay below $125 before September. And right now, it's already September 2nd, so Bitcoin did stay below 125K. So I ended up making a profit from that bet, and you can't see it on the desktop app. You can only see it on the mobile app, so I can't show it here, but I made a couple $1,000 profit from that, which makes up a little bit for the thousands and thousands of dollars I've lost so far in the prediction market this year. Makes up for it a little bit, but not totally. I think I'm still down for the year in terms of the prediction market bets. But even then, I'm still up for the year total, as you can see here. But in terms of the prediction markets, I'm down like quite a few $1,000s, you know. And can I make up for it for the rest of the year? I don't know, but I'm going to try. As for my stocks, I'm doing well. Something new that I did today was actually start this position right here. I'm selling cash secured puts. Google $200 cash secured puts. So basically, it's kind of like, well, similar to covered calls in that I'm just trying to get some premium out of this. Now, the way it works is if Google stays above $200 per share, then I just get the premium. But if Google were to drop below $200 per share on expiration, then I would end up having to buy the shares of Google at a certain price. Now, right now, I just have the cash as collateral for this. But if I do end up, just having Google stay above $200 per share at expiration, then I'm just going to get, how much is this? $596. So the average credit I got was 171. Let me do the math here. Hold on. Let me get the calculator out. So average credit is 171, as you can see here, $1.71. And then how many? 4 contracts times 100. Okay, so in total, I will get $684 from this position in premium if Google stays above $200 per share at expiration. Which, I mean, I feel like it has a good chance of doing that. Right now, Google's at $225.90, which is well above 200. So I think I'm safe, but a lot can happen in 10 days. So today's the 2nd. These expire on the 12th, so that's 10 days from now. Can Google drop $25 from now until expiration? It can, so we'll see what happens. But regardless, I will get the $684 in premium no matter what happens. But I would prefer Google stays above the strike price just so I can collect my premium and then move on with my life. Plus, I spoke about this in a previous video, but I want to show what my portfolio looks like when I'm not using any margin, right? Because for the past like several years in a row, I've been consistently using margin. So a lot of people kind of, well, not a lot, but a few people kind of questioned, like, how is that affecting my real portfolio value? Because I know it says 188,000 here, but some people think that if you have 188,000 showing as your portfolio value, but you're using like $188,000 of margin, that means your portfolio value is not what it says it is. But that's not true. That's not how margin works. So I kind of want to show for the first time in a while what my portfolio value looks like when I'm using zero margin. Right now I'm still using close to $50,000 of margin right now. But on the 12th, when these two expire, it could be possible that I'm going to end up having, so not these two up here, the AMD and Google positions. If those expire and AMD is above 175 and Google is also above 200, then I'm going to have no margin used in my portfolio. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. I might even, you know what? I might even lower the strike price of these just so they can get called away. But we'll see. And that way I can show people that, hey, this portfolio value right here is my real portfolio value, no matter how much margin I'm using. So yeah, that's the plan. But for now, I added this new position to my portfolio, selling cash secured puts on Google with the $200 strike price. So we'll see what happens. That's pretty much it for this portfolio update. Things have been going okay. Actually, better than okay, honestly. I mean, the fact that I'm $30,000 up for the year so far, I'm very happy with that. So I'm doing well. Anyways, let's hope that the rest of the year goes well and that there's no more huge crashes, but who knows, honestly. Things have been crazy. I don't even know what to expect at this point, but we'll see. All right, that's it for this portfolio update. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me talk about my portfolio, show you my positions, and tell you guys my plans of what to do next. If you guys like this type of content, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll keep on making more of these videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.